everyone. I'm Rahul Kednurkar, Vice President Business Development for Sensys. Introducing you to our company, we at Sensys, we make enterprise IoT product for sensor-based condition monitoring, real-time asset tracking, people tracking, predictive analysis, in-plant fleet management, and social distancing and contact tracing solution. So we are a Belgaum-based company. Apart from Belgaum, we have office in Bangalore and Pune as well, and we have office overseas as well. In US, California. Talking about the success, so we are into B2B space. So we have got National Entrepreneurship Award by Ministry of Skill Development, Government of India. One in past by Maruti Suzuki or Cisco or NASSCOM, where we are awarded as most promising startup for consecutive years. And on the funding part, we have raised around $500,000 from Carson Kitwin Fund, which is a government initiative, government by Karnataka. And we have also raised another round by Kiritsu Forum as well. And now we are planning to raise $1 million, which is a pre-series A funding. And talking about the struggle, so we struggled a bit during COVID scenarios. So that is where we came up with our social distancing and contact tracing. All the solution design developed in-house, we could manage to tweak our solution. So we deployed that particular solution with BCCI during IPL, India-England series, or Road Safety series, which was played during the pandemic. And the same solution is being used by Taj, Maruti Suzuki, and Jubilant Food as well. So apart from this, we have our solution deployed with many other customers who are into various verticals like manufacturing, automobile, pharmaceutical, and construction, or in hospitality. Talking about Bangalore ecosystem, so we have business development and support team based out of Bangalore. So all our business development basically takes place from this particular location. So the KTech or BCIC and other initiative, government of Karnataka, they are helping us a lot, right from funding to customer connects to expanding our horizons, and then or any sort of manufacturing activity for that matter. So thank you so much for giving this platform and giving us opportunity to be part of your system. Thank you so much.